Welcome back. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. Well, it's been a long 5 months, but the Arrma Infraction 3S has finally arrived. I got the deal where it was on sale for, I think, $270. And if you look now, it's about $400. Originally, the battery I bought with this was supposed to be for this vehicle, but then when they said it wouldn't come till July, that's when I bought the Typhoon 223S. That video will be, up wherever it is. Anyway, with that all said, let's just get this open and take a look at this Infraction. Boy, oh boy, am I excited. Oh. All right. And here it is. This is 3S. It's a 1/8 scale, and it is a street basher. So I did want a road car. I have been waiting for that. And I finally decided it was time because I got a bunch of off-roaders. An on-road car will be nice to add to the fleet. Also, I've seen a lot of different bodies I can put on this. Anyway, enough of me talking. Let's get this open. Oh, an even nicer controller. It's a DX3, but it's got a lot more control on here. We'll have to go over this in a few. Our manual. This one didn't come with a trading card, or else it's buried in here. Interesting. I hope it's just buried in here because I really think those trading cards are cool. Whatever. And that's that. And here's what we're waiting for. It's stuck. All right. Great. Ooh, this is quite nice. Out of here. All right. And there it is. Looks pretty dang cool. Peel this off. This is well worth the wait. Ooh, sticker is peeling. We'll get that fixed up. All right, let's open it up and take a look at the inside. I do like this retainment system here. It's pretty nice. So that way your clips stay with the body. There's our body. Looks great underneath. But I do like the coloring on top. It looks fantastic. Here's our IC5 connector onto our servo over here. Transmitter motor. It's got a little tiny fan. Kind of funny, comically, with a heat sink. Looks like decent suspension. I like these wheels, but the bonus with ordering this back in February, we got spare tires. These are D-Boots Hoons 35/085 2.4 white belted 5-spoke. So when we inevitably burn these up, because these do burn them up, we have backups. I've just been hanging on to these for the last 5 months. I've just been sitting on a shelf because they sent me these, even though they didn't charge me for the car. And they sent me the battery. That's why I bought that Typhoon 223S, so I could use the battery. But now I bought another battery, so we have one for each. I do like this big foam bumper up front. Looks pretty dang cool. I honestly want to buy more of these wheels. They look way cooler with the body. Let's give it a rip. I'd say right now, but it's raining, so it's going to be a little bit for me. It'll be pretty instant for you. But before we go rip, just to make a liar out of myself, I wanted to compare it to my other 1/8. Here's the Typhoon 223S I've been talking about. definitely about the same size. If you put them on top of each other, this is a little wider, but with the spoiler and everything, this is a little longer. Over here, you got my sledge. Obviously, it's way bigger, but it's supposed to be kind of a truggy, so that's a different story. But still, just can't wait to rip this thing. It looks freaking fantastic. We're going to go find a big open parking lot, I think, rather than drive it in the street. Also, if we take a look at the controller here, you see we got different knobs up front. Looks like we have steering rate. I think that's active steering control. Brake rate, so we can turn that up and down how hard it brakes. I think this is steering trim, so make sure it's aligned. This is our throttle trim. We can turn it up so it starts moving quicker, depending on if there's any play here or not. Up on top, we got our steering. I think it's normal and reverse for throttle. And then we can limit our throttle just like all our other cars. So pretty nice there. We also got another up-down button here. I don't know what that does. And then this appears to be a bind button. So pretty dang neat. My wheel's a little dirty from messing with it, but definitely different than all the other ones we have so far. And right here, not sure what that's for. Got to read the manual for that. Probably some sort of attachment, maybe to attach a phone or a camera or something. We'll look into that. Because our batteries, they go. Do we not get batteries with this either? That's crazy. I just realized that. I didn't see batteries in there. Anyway, also there's a button right here. I'm not sure what that's for. We'll find out. And then there's a bind button. I got the wheel dirty already. Jeez. Anyway, let's get some batteries. I'll charge that up. It's going to be a little bit for me, but it'll be right here for y'all. Well, holy cow, is this car absolutely fantastic. I don't know why I didn't get a street basher a long time ago, or even just a street car, because this thing absolutely rips. I love doing the drifts and donuts out there on the asphalt. I mean, I could do that at my other bashers, but this is just a whole different game. And me being a guy that loves road courses and tracks, I'm definitely going to have to set myself up some courses to drive this around and perfect. But for now, I love the drifting, the donuts, everything like that. I'm loving them so much. If you look, sorry, I got the fan on, but I'll show you why I got the car on in a minute. But if you look, my tires are absolutely shredded in the rear. There's not much tread left here. So tires are definitely going to be an investment. Still got tread up front. Maybe I'll rotate them just to use up what I can out of these tires. I do have this other set that I got for free for ordering this back in February, and now it's July and I finally got the car, but it was definitely worth the 5-month wait. Since I'm gonna need tires a lot, I think I got some ideas I want to try out. Maybe some other mods here and there, because I'm definitely gonna be driving this a lot. Got a couple different places I can go drive and stuff like that. A couple things I didn't mention about the controller. This is the DX3 controller, so there are a lot more functions than my other two cars, the Typhoon 223S and then my Groms, of course. You got a throttle limiter. I did not limit the throttle, I just was 100 the whole time. This is a throttle. If it's normal or reversed, you can just flip it real easy on the controller here. Same with steering. And then this is quite cool because this tells you how much battery you have left in the car. So I really do like that indicator there. I'm not sure what this port is. I didn't look into it. You'll have to look that up. Maybe if someone asks in the comments, I'll answer it because I'll have to figure it out by then. Other than that, there's a button down here. I think this is for something on the auxiliary port of the transmitter. I don't have anything there. Just my throttle and my steering. And that's it. So my GoPro mount, got it right there. I had it down here, wasn't working out, so I moved it. And I definitely got some better shots, as you saw. And just a quick reminder to y'all out there, once we reach 1,000 subs, I will be giving away this TRX Ford 1979 Ford Bronco spare tire mounting bracket and cover. That's a lot to say. And one more thing. Since I took these off the Slash 4x4 and I have no use for them, I'll throw those in as well. Well, that's going to be it for this one. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you know where to leave them. As well, if you can do the things that are down there, I'd appreciate it as it helps me out. I thank you all for stopping by today. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and take care.